Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make main switch and selector switch in single phase wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, contactor and overload, selector switch, main switch, compressor, phase connection to DP MCB, neutral connection to DP MCB, output phase connection from DP MCB to connect contactor, another connection to overload, output connection from overload to connect contactor, output phase connection from contactor to connect selector switch, output connection from selector switch to connect main switch, output connection from contactor to connect compressor, output neutral connection from DP MCB to connect contactor, neutral connection input to contactor coil connection, neutral connection from overload to connect compressor, output connection from selector switch to connect main switch, another connection to overload, short connection in main switch, earthing connection to connect main switch. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.